So yesterday, uh, till now the project is done up to here. Products are displayed. When I click on add to cart and go to the cart, I can see the items. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now, now the next thing is, so if we go to our original application, you can see after we add something and if we go to the cart, the items were displayed. This part is done. Now the price details is left, this part, the right side part. Okay, so we need to do this, so which is not completed in our application. So let's do that part. So what do we need to do? This is the cart component. So in the cart component we have loaded this app cart item. Cart item means each book in the cart. That is done, but the right side part needs to be done, that is the price details. So for that we had already created one component called price details, but here nothing was there. So we need to fill up this and load this component on the right side of the cart component. Okay, so let's see this, what to do. So it looks like this. So it will have all the price details like uh, price, discount, delivery charge. So we need, so actually we have calculated all this price already. We just need to calculate the about the delivery charge now. Okay. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so we have to do all these things in the price details component. So in the price detail component, let's first create the layout. Then we'll see what coding we need to do there. We just need to add, because price details is already there in the cart service, but we need to add the delivery charge to that. That's it. So div, let's say this is so this is price details. Okay, then I'll put some padding. Okay, so now here what we have is, we have a text called price details and then some column kind of thing. Okay, so we'll do this part. So first I have a div which is having class as text secondary or the gray text, gray color text. Here we were writing, we are having a span kind of thing. So price details. Okay, then we have 3 lines. So for that, what I'll do is, so the flex, and then justify content between. So here we need 2 things, I guess. So price, 3 items. Okay. Okay. So we need this thing, and this thing. Okay. Fine. Price, discount, and delivery charge. So let's start with the price part. So here, what do I write? Price, and within bracket I need to write the amount of items. So that is cart items dot length. We may not have this property in our case file, so here we will add it. Don't worry. So price within the bracket cart items dot length. Okay. And then the next part is, so here if you can see, it is now this part is in bold. Okay, I've just given some bold thing, so I'll just write here. What I can do is I can put a b tag as well, no problem, isn't it? So there what I write cart items price. I'll create a property called cart items price, and it will hold the total cost. I'll use the currency pipe. Okay, and I'll put INR here. Okay, fine. That is done. This div is complete. And then next part, that is the discount. We have the discount, we have the delivery charge, so we have to add all those things. So reset. Okay, so inside this we need to have the discount. So discount is something like the discount. What do we do is mm, let me put a b tag. Okay, and we are writing this in green color, so I'll just we already have a class called text success in bootstrap, so I'll just use that. So here what do I write? Here again we have to calculate the discount on the items which we will create in the component file. So here I just put that property, will calculate it later on. Okay, fine. Then after the discount, what we have is we have the delivery charge, isn't it? We have the delivery charge, and this delivery charge will be dependent on the total price. If the price is less than 1500, the delivery charge will be 50 rupees. If this price is more than 1500, then the delivery charge will be free. So we have to calculate that as well. So same class. Okay. Then what was this one? This one, the delivery charge. Okay. So span delivery charges. Okay. Then we need to put the value. So that is span, again some bold value. So b tag, inside the b tag I'll write delivery charge. Okay, now let's one more thing is left, I think, that is the total amount. Okay, we'll put that. So after this we'll have the total amount thing. same class and add it here, but we will add some little bit of gap in between. Okay, for that I'll just put a empty 3, okay, margin top 3, and then we can write it in big fonts. Total amount, then the amount will be, so something, some property will create again here, something like so the thing will be cart items price is here, cart items price minus cart item discount plus delivery charge is the cost, isn't it? This minus discount plus delivery charge. Delivery charge, if it is 1500, so let me remove all these things. Let me put a book which is having low cost. Yeah, you can see here 1200 minus 121 plus 50 will give you this one, isn't it? So this minus this plus this. So we need to do that calculation. So we already have these three values: cart item price, cart item discount, and delivery charge. So we just write that thing. So cart items price minus cart item discount plus delivery charge. That's it. Okay. And again, we will put the currency pipe to show it in INR. Okay, that's fine. Now we need to calculate these things in the TS file. Otherwise, this will give again error. Okay. So what do we do for these things to calculate? Because we already have some of the price details in the what it is called service. So we'll see what to do. So first we import the service. Okay, service is imported. Now we'll create the property. Like we need the cart items property. Okay, then what we have? Then we need the three values: cart items price, then cart items discount, then the last one is delivery charge. Okay. Okay. Now from the service, you need to bring the values and put the values here in these three things. Okay. So what do I do is in the NGO init, first thing is the cart items. So cart items is equal to this dot cart items equal to this dot cart service dot get all cart items. We already have that method. So it will return us all the cart items. It will be stored in cart item. Then we need to create a method which will calculate these things, these three things. Okay. So for that, we will create one get billing details method. Okay, get billing details method, what it will do, it will have the cart items. So from the cart items we can do these things. So actually get billing details, one method is already there for calculating this price in the cart service. If you remember, we created that thing. Where is that? Get price details, get all cart items. Okay, we didn't create that. So we'll create this get billing, one method will be there. We'll create that. To create this from the cart products, we need to create the price and all. Okay. So let me write the get billing thing. So how do we do that? So get billing will be something like this. Get billing, for example, name of the method is get billing. So get billing, what it will do, it will take the cart items, okay, and from here first we'll create one object. Let billing details is equal to one object. This object will have three properties. First one is price, then discount, then the delivery charge. Okay, these three things we'll calculate it here now. So cart, oh, sorry. Yeah. So here we are passing the cart items, right? So cart items is an array. So what I'll do is for each item I'll calculate the price and keep on adding here. Okay. So what I'll do is on this cart items I'll apply for each method, and inside that for each I'll calculate the things. So item is of type any. So here what I need to do, this object billing details dot, what is that, price. Billing details dot price is equal to billing details dot price plus, oh, d is small, so billing details dot price plus item dot price into count, isn't it? So cannot find okay, item dot count, yeah, okay. So this is the price. Then we need to calculate the discount. Billing details dot discount is equal to billing details dot discount plus, how do I get the discount? So that is again a long calculation. What I need to do is item dot discount by 100, that is the percentage, into item dot discount into by 100 into item dot price. Okay, so this will give us the percentage. Then we have to multiply this with item dot count. Okay, item dot discount by 100 into item dot price into item dot count. Okay, fine. Then we need to calculate the delivery charge. Now there is a problem. So the delivery charge will actually depend on this price. If the price is less than 1500, then delivery charge will be 50, otherwise it will be 0. Okay, so how do I write that? I'll use the ternary operator for that. So billing details dot price, if this value is greater than or equal to 1500, okay, if this condition is true, then what we'll do, billing details dot delivery will be equal to 0. Okay, otherwise if it is not greater than or equal to 1500, that means it is less than 1500, then what I'll do is billing details dot delivery is equal to 50. Okay, so that is the thing need to be done. And then after that, what we need to do is, after we do calculate all these things, so these three values are populated. Now I need to just return this billing details object. So return billing details. That's it. Okay. So now this method can be used to get the billing details object for that particular cart items. So suppose three items are there, I pass the three items here and it will give us the billing details. Okay. So this method, where we will use this method, we need to use in the price details component. Okay, which we just wrote about. So here, we have created one get billing details. So what this will do, this will just get the value. So let's say I'll create a property called get. We'll create a variable called billing details. Get let billing details is equal to this dot cart service dot, what is that, get billing, right? So get billing of what, get billing of this dot cart item, because we already have the cart items here. So this dot cart items, and then it will return the value, return the that billing details value, and it will store it here. Okay, now we need to use this billing details object to get these three values. Okay, cart items price, cart items discount, and delivery charge. So this dot cart items price is equal to billing details dot price, isn't it? Then again same thing is to be repeated. This dot cart items discount is equal to billing details dot discount. Okay, and then this dot delivery charge, so it will automatically calculate, already it is calculated whether it is 50 or free, so no need to worry, directly you can write billing details dot delivery. Okay, so get billing details has populated these three values which are being used directly here, delivery charge and all these things. Okay, now there's a problem here. See, this delivery charge is 50, but when I increase the value, at that point it is showing free, isn't it? So we have to do that part as well. So that means we need to write two things, not only the 50 value, we need to write the free as well. So we'll put an ng if and display one of them. Okay, so what I will do is, here I wrote delivery charge directly. If I write delivery charge directly, it will show 0 at one time, but I don't want 0. Instead of 0, I want to write free. Okay, so what I'll do is and span. So another one I'll put it here. So what will be that? That will have free written here, and it will have some ng if. Okay, so ng if will be star ng if. What is to be written here? If the delivery charge is there. So the delivery charge will be either 50 or 0, isn't it? So if the delivery charge is not there, then that means if it is 0, it will have free, and otherwise if it is there, then it will show the delivery charge. That's it. Okay, let's save this, go to the browser and see how it is looking like. So two items I have added. Oh, I didn't load the component in the that thing. So what was that component? That component is in the cart component. That means, okay. So in the cart component, we had up to cart item, but we need one more part, that is the that is the price details. We have to add the price details component. So here what I write is app price details. Okay, So app price details component is loaded, and then is anything there? So one checkout button is there. I'll just add the checkout button. That is having no use now. Just for showing, I will put it there because payment and all is not done, right? Payment and all is not there. Just to show, I will doing it. So btn some theme. Then I can write here checkout. Okay. Some styles I'll use it on this button to make it big. So here we wrote up to okay, btn theme is done actually. Btn checkout I need to put. Hmm. Oh, one more thing is left. I didn't write the styles for the price details component. So we have to write that as well. Okay. So where is the price details component? Ah, this one. So here we have added some classes like price details. Then we have added something like yeah, maybe we have to add that price details. And here we need one more class for this total amount. I'll put it something like total amount. Okay. Yeah. So I'll write the styles for this. So price details component is having width as 350 px. Border is done. I'll put some background color. So background color I'll put it same. Then some border radius I'll apply to make it a round. Position will be fixed to fix it there. I don't want it to move if even if I scroll. Then fix it at this position. Okay, fine. And that total amount button. So total amount class is there. I just put here border top. So I want this dash kind of thing here at the top, dash kind of border. So I will put that 1px dashed gray. Okay, and then some gap at the top, padding top maybe 10px. Okay, so saved and go to the browser, and here I add two books. Oh, prices are not coming. What happened there? So cart service dot get all cart items. Okay, let's see what happened. Why the values are not coming. Okay, so in the price details component, here what we need to do is, after we get all the cart items, the cart items array has changed, isn't it? Immediately we have to get the details and as well as the cart subject. That part should also be called to update. Okay, so this dot get billing details, this what this will do, this will update these three values: cart items price, cart item discount, and delivery charge. And then initially when we load this component, also it should get all the cart items, isn't it? So for that we need to call that subject which we called yesterday in all items, all components. So cart service dot cart subject dot subscribe. So what we need to do here is, these items will come, and these items I'll just put it in the cart items. That's it. This part is already there, but this part is for updating. Okay, so what happened? Okay, fine. Now again, after getting the value, you have to call this thing again. Okay, for the first time when it is loading, you have to do this part is okay, but this subject part is required to update it. Whenever there is a change, suppose I click the increment button, decrement button, immediately this part will update it. This part will not update it. This part is for the first time loading, and this part is for updating. Okay, so it will automatically keep on updating the billing details. Okay, fine. So I save this, go to the browser, and let's see. So I add two items, go to the cart, it is showing free. So I'll remove this item. So now it is showing delivery charge is 50. I increment the value. So now it is 884. I keep on incrementing. When it is 1500, delivery has changed to free and the amount is showing. So then that means this part is complete. Okay. Okay, fine. I'll reconnect. You just rejoin. Okay. In 1 minute, please rejoin. Jayshankar.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay, okay.